ሰላም ተማሪዎች የዛሬው ቱቶሪያላችን ኤክሰርሳይዝ 4.14ን እናያለን። ይህን ቪዲዮ ከማየታችሁ በፊት ይህን ቻናል ሰብስክራይብ ያላደረጋችሁ ሰብስክራይብ አድርጉ፣ ላይክ ሼር አድርጉ ለጓደኞቻችሁ ኢሚዲየት እንዲደርሷችሁ። ሰብስክራይብ ስታደርጉ የደውል ምልክቷን ተጫኗት፣ ኦል የምትለዋ ላይ አክቲቭ አድርጉት። ወዳው የሚለቀቁ ኢሚዲየት ቱቶሪያሎች ይደርሷችኋል ማለት ነው። Exercise 4.14 has two questions, but each question has A, B, C, D, many questions. Let us start to solve these questions. Question number 1 says that in each of the following question, identify the substance oxidized, the substance reduced, the oxidizing agent and reducing agent. A. Iron oxide reacts with carbon monoxide, gives us iron and carbon dioxide. Now, the oxidation number of iron is comes to 0 from plus 3. plus 3 ወደ 0 መጥቷል። ምክንያቱም 2x minus 6 which is equal to 0, 2x which is equal to plus 6, x which is equal to plus 3. Iron in the reactant side plus 3 number, plus 3 goes to 0, from plus 3 goes to 0, it is reduced. On the other hand, carbon, when we come to carbon, from plus 2 to oxidized to plus 4. Therefore, carbon is oxidized because its oxidation number increased from plus 2 to plus 4. Therefore, carbon is oxidized. Iron is reduced. It is reduced from plus 3 to 0. Therefore, iron oxide is oxidizing agent because the substance that reduced exists in iron oxide. reduced ያደረገው ሰብስታንስ የሚገኘው አይረን ኦክሳይድ ውስጥ ስለሆነ አይረን የተባለው ሰብስታንስ ነው reduced የሆነው፣ እሱም የሚገኘው አይረን ኦክሳይድ ውስጥ ስለሆነ ኦክሲዳይዚንግ ኤጀንት ነው ማለት ነው። ያኛው ሰብስታንስ ኦክሲዳይዝ እንዲሆን ኤጀንት ሆኗል ማለት ነው። On the other hand, carbon monoxide is reducing agent. Iron reduced እንዲሆን ኤጀንት የሆነው ካርበን ዳይኦክሳይድ በመሆኑ it is reducing agent ነው። Carbon is oxidized from plus 2 to plus 4 and it is reducing agent because iron is reduced from plus 2 to 0, from plus 3 to 0. Therefore, the substance that reduced is oxidizing agent. That means iron oxide is oxidizing agent. The substance that oxidized is reducing agent. Carbon monoxide is reducing agent because carbon is oxidized from plus 2 to plus 4. The second question, copper oxide react with hydrogen gas to produce copper and water. In this reaction, in the reactant side, hydrogen, the oxidation number of hydrogen is 0 because it is free element. In the product side is plus 1. The oxidation number of hydrogen is plus 1 because it forms compound with oxygen. Therefore, hydrogen is oxidized from 0 to plus 1. The oxidation number of copper in the product side is 0 because from plus 2 it reduced to 0. Therefore, we can conclude from this analysis, hydrogen is oxidized because it oxidized from 0 to +1. Copper is reduced because it reduced from +2 to 0. Its oxidation number reduced from +2 to 0. Copper oxide is oxidizing agent because copper is reduced from +2 to 0. Copper exists in copper oxide. Therefore, copper oxide is oxidizing agent. Hydrogen is reducing agent. Hydrogen gas is reducing agent because it is oxidized from 0 to +1. The substance that oxidized is reducing agent, and the substance that reduced is oxidizing agent. The third question, nitrogen dioxide react with water to produce nitric acid and nitrogen monoxide. In this reaction, you are expected to calculate the oxidation state or the oxidation number of all elements in the reactant and product side. If you see the oxidation number of nitrogen +4 ነው first case ላይ +4 ነው because x minus 2 times minus 2 4 which is equal to 0 x which is equal to +4 የመጀመሪያው ላይ እዚህ ጋር +4 ነው in the second case hydrogen is +1 nitrogen is oxygen is -2 -2 times 3 -6 -6 plus hydrogen 1 +5. Therefore, in this case, in the second case is +5. Nitrogen is oxidized. It is oxidized from +4 to +5. In the same manner, nitrogen is reduced from +4 in the second case to +2. እዚህኛው ላይ ናይትሮጅን ከሪያክታንት ሳይድ +4 ነው ፕሮዳክት ሳይድ ላይ ስንመጣ ግን +2 ሆኗል እዚህኛው ናይትሮጅን ሞኖክሳይዱ ላይ ስንመጣ ማለት ነው የመጀመሪያው ላይ ስንመጣ የመጀመሪያው ሪያክታንት ሳይድ ላይ ያለው +4 እንደሆነ አይተናል +4 የናይትሪክ አሲድ ጋር ያለው ናይትሮጅን +5 መጣ ኦክሲዴሽን ነምበሩ ካልኩሌት ስናደርገው ስለዚህ እዚህኛው ሪአክሽን ወይም ኢኩዌሽን ላይ ናይትሮጅን ኦክሲዳይዝድ ሆኗል ከ+4 ወደ +5 ጨምሯል but in the second case ሁለተኛው ኬዝ ላይ ስንመጣ ናይትሮጅን ሞኖክሳይድ ከሪአክታንቱ ከ+4 ወደ +2 ወርዷል ከ+4 ወደ +2 ወርዷል nitrogen is reduced it reduced from +4 to +2 የዚህ አይነት ሪአክሽን የዚህ አይነት ባህሪ ያላቸው ወይም simultaneously oxidized and reduced የማድረግ ባህሪ ያላቸው ኢኩዌሽኖች disproportion reaction ተብሎ ይጠራል ማለት ነው since nitrogen oxidized and reduced simultaneously the reaction is called disproportion reaction ተብሎ ይጠራል disproportion reaction በአንድ ሪአክሽን ውስጥ ተመሳሳይ ሰብስታንስ ወይም ኤሌመንት oxidized ሲሆን ወይም reduced ሲሆን ይሄ ሪአክሽን disproportion reaction ተብሎ ይጠራል therefore nitrogen dioxide is both oxidizing and reducing agent ስለዚህ oxidized የሆነውም ናይትሮጅን ነው reduced የሆነውም ናይትሮጅን ነው oxidized እንዲሆን ያደረገውም ናይትሮጅን ዳይኦክሳይድ ነው reduced እንዲሆን ያደረገውም ናይትሮጅን ዳይኦክሳይድ ነው ይሄ disproportion reaction ይባላል redox reaction ነው ግን disproportion reaction ነው ማለት ነው። The fourth question, silver nitrate react with sodium chloride. Silver chloride plus sodium nitrate are produced. When we see this type of reaction, it is double displacement reaction. Double displacement in the double displacement and acid base reactions, most of the double displacement and acid base reactions are not redox reactions. ይሄኛውን ኢኩዌሽን ኦክሲዴሽን ነምበሩን ካልኩሌት ብናደርግ በሪያክታንትም በፕሮዳክት ሳይድም የእያንዳንዱ ኤሌመንት ተመሳሳይ ነው የሚመጣው። Therefore, since the reaction is double displacement reaction, it is not redox reaction. Therefore, there is no substance oxidized and reduced. If there is no oxidation and reduction, there is no also oxidizing agent and reducing agent. The fifth question, the iron plus 2 ion gives us iron plus 3 ion by adding 1 electron, by removing 1 electron. In this case, iron is oxidized from plus 2 to plus 3. Therefore, iron ion is oxidized. It oxidized from plus 2 to plus 3. Iron plus 2 ion is reducing agent. Reduced የሆነ ሰብስታንስ አለ እሱ ኦክሲዳይዝድ ሆኗል ግን reduced የሆነውን ሰብስታንስ reduced ያደረገው ይሄ iron plus 2 ነው ማለት ነው። The substance X is reduced ለምን ion form እንዲያደርግ ያደረገው ሰብስታንስ አለ X የተባለ ሰብስታንስ አለ እዚህ ባይሰጠንም ማለት ነው። Therefore, that X substance is reduced and X is oxidizing agent. Iron oxidized ከፕላስ 2 ወደ ፕላስ 3 oxidized እንዲሆን ያደረገው that X substance ነው ማለት ነው። oxidizing agent ይሄ oxidizing agent የሆነው ሰብስታንስ እሱ reduced የሆነው ነው ማለት ነው። Question number 6, copper react with nitric acid to produce copper nitrate, nitrogen monoxide and water. This question is done above before this exercise, and let us do it. Now, the oxidation number of copper is 0 in the reactant side. The oxidation number of copper is plus 2 in the product side. It is oxidized, therefore copper is oxidized from 0 to plus 2. The oxidation number of hydrogen is similar in the reactant side and the product side. It is plus 1. The oxidation number of nitrogen in the reactant side is plus 5 and the product side is in copper nitrate plus 5. It is the same. In nitrogen monoxide is plus 2. It is reduced. Therefore, nitrogen is reduced. It reduced from plus 5 to plus 2 in nitrogen monoxide. Therefore, nitric acid is oxidizing agent and copper is reducing agent እንላለን። The seventh question G, sulfate ion react with iodine ion, react with hydrogen molecule to produce hydrogen sulfide and iodine molecule and water. In this case, iodine is oxidized from minus 1 to 0. In the product side 0, in the reactant side minus 1. From minus 1 to 0, it is oxidized. Therefore, iodine is oxidized from minus 1 to 0. Hydrogen is oxidized from 0 to plus 1. Hydrogen is oxidized from 0 to plus 1. Therefore, we have two oxidized substances. Sulfur is reduced from plus 6 in the reactant side to plus 2 in the product side. Therefore, sulfate ion is oxidizing agent because the substance sulfur exists in sulfate ion is reduced. ሰልፌት አዮን ውስጥ የሚገኝ ሰልፌት አዮን ውስጥ የሚገኘው ሰልፈር ሪዱስድ ሆኗል ከፕላስ 6 ወደ ፕላስ 2 therefore ኦክሲዳይዚንግ ኤጀንት የሚሆነው እሱ ነው ማለት ሪዱስድ የሆነው ያለበት ሰብስታንስ ኦክሲዳይዚንግ ኤጀንት ይሆናል አዮዲን ኤንድ ሃይድሮጂን ሪዱሲንግ ኤጀንት ናቸው because እነሱ ኦክሲዳይዝድ ሆነዋል ሁለቱ ሊሆን ይችላል ኤንድ ያልኩበት ምክንያት ለዛ ነው ወይም ኦር አንደኛው ብቻ ሊሆን ይችላል ሁለቱም ኦክሲዳይዝድ ስለሆኑ ወይ ሁለቱም ሊሆኑ ይችላሉ ይሄኛው ሰብስታንስ ሪዱስድ እንዲሆን ያደረጉት እነሱ ኦክሲዳይዝድ ሲሆኑ ወይ ደግሞ አንደኛው ሊሆን ይችላል አንደኛው ዝም ብሎ ስፔክታተር ሆኖ ሊቀመጥ ይችላል ማለት ነው H permanganate ion react with hydrogen ion to produce manganese plus 2 ion and water. Now in this case manganate is reduced from plus 6 to plus 2 if you calculate the oxidation number of manganate in this ion the oxidation number of manganate is plus 6 and in the product side it is given plus 2 therefore it is reduced the substance that reduced is oxidizing agent ነው ማለት ነው therefore permanganate ion acts as oxidizing agent ነው ያገለግላል on the other hand substance X is oxidized ቀደም ከላይ እንዳልነው oxidized የሚሆን ለምን ሃይድሮጂን ከፕላስ 1 ወደ ፕላስ 1 ነው ሄደው ምንም የተቀየረ ነገር የለም therefore የሰብስታንስ X እነዚህ አዮን እንዲሆኑ ያደረጋቸው የሆነ ሰብስታንስ X አለ oxidized የሆነ ሰብስታንስ አለ it is reducing agent ነው እነሱ reduced እንዲሆን ወይም ማንጋኔዝ reduced እንዲሆን ኤጀንት የሆነ X የተባለ ሰብስታንስ አለ እነዚህ አዮኖች እንዲፈጠሩ ያደረገው ሰብስታንስ ሪዱሲንግ ኤጀንታቸው ነው ማለት ነው ሪዱስድ እንዲሆኑ እሱ ኤጀንት ሆኖ አገልግሏል ማለት ነው question number 2 in each of the following is change indicated oxidation reduction or no change at all now A chlorine molecule convert to chlorine ion therefore in the chlorine molecule the oxidation number of chlorine is 0 ነበረ ከ0 ወደ -1 ነው የመጣው ማይነስ ከሆነ -1 ማለት ነው this chlorine molecule is free state the oxidation number of any element in free state in 0 ስለሚል የክሎሪን ኦክሲዴሽን ነምበር 0 ነው እዚህ ጋር ክሎራይድ አዮን ሲሆን ግን -1 ነው therefore reduced ሆኗል ማለት ነው ከ0 ወደ ኔጌቲቭ ነው የወረደው reduced ሆኗል ማለት ነው ወደ ፐርማንጋኔት አዮን ስንመጣ ፐርማንጋኔት አዮን ላይ ካልኩሌሽን መስራት ይተበቅብናል የሪአክታንት ሳይዱ ላይ +7 ነው ፕሮዳክት ሳይዱ ላይ +4 ነው therefore in the reactant side the oxidation number of manganese is +7 and the product side the oxidation number of manganese is +4 therefore this reaction is reduction reaction manganese reduced from +7 to +4 C in the reactant side the oxidation number of chromium is +4 and in the product side the oxidation number of chromium is +6 therefore the reaction is oxidation reaction D sulfate ion sulfur is reduced from +6 to +4. In the reactant side, the oxidation number of sulfur is +6, and the oxidation number of sulfur in the product side is +4. Therefore, the reaction is reduction. The final question. The oxidation number of chromium in the reactant side is +6, and the oxidation state of chromium in the product side is the same +6. Therefore, no change at all. These are all about exercise number 4.14. Please make it subscribe, share, like. Until then, bye bye.